Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create a basic torus with one vertex and a few modifiers. Let's start by adding a plane to the scene, switching to edit mode and merging all of the vertices at the center. Now you can tab out of edit mode and go to the modifier panel. First we add a displace modifier to the object to set the minor radius of the torus. Change the direction to X and the mid level to 0. Now you can change its radius with the strength value. For now we will leave it at 1. Next we add a screw modifier to the object to create a basic circle. This circle will define the minor segments of the torus. Set the axis to Y, deactivate smooth shading and activate the merge vertices checkbox. With the steps value you can now define the minor segments count of the torus. Now we add a second displace modifier to set the major radius of the torus. The settings will be the same as before, direction to X, mid level to 0, and with the strength you can define a major radius of the torus. This time we will set it to a higher value like 2 for example. Now we need to add one more screw modifier to turn the object into a torus. Also deactivate smooth shading and activate calc order so that the normals are calculated correctly. This screw modifier now defines the major segments of the torus. With the steps value you can define the segments count of the major segments. Now you can play around with the different values of the modifiers to change the shape of the torus. Tell me what you think in the comments down below and stay tuned for more. Bye!